Hello, my name is Angela Hall. I'm an associate professor in the School of Human Resources and Labor Relations. While our present circumstances may be albeit strange and something we never thought that we'd be a part of, here we are. But we're back to our core mission. That is delivering a great education to our students from top faculty like yourself. Be it in person, fully online, or a hybrid of both. It is why we are educators, and we have and will continue to thrive and adapt. But we need to do it safely for you and your students. There will be differences in how we engage with our students in the classroom, such as physical distancing before and after class and during office hours. Yet we must remember to stay engaged with our students as they navigate through their coursework. These safety protocols are here for the safety of all Spartans. You will find in some classrooms that the furniture has been spaced accordingly. In others, the furniture has been removed or banded so it cannot be used in order to allow for the 6-foot physical distancing requirement. You may even consider holding class outdoors if possible, and to realign lesson plans so that communal use of objects is minimized. New technologies such as video and audio devices have been upgraded in order to enhance in-person teaching and online teaching experiences. There will be ongoing instruction, training, and support for faculty in order to provide for a quality education. As in many areas of campus, but particularly in a classroom, if you touch it, clean it. Keyboards, remotes, the mouse. Try to make a habit of cleaning surfaces before you touch them and clean them again before you leave. Many classrooms will have wipes or cleaning stations so that students can wipe down their personal areas before and after class. And know that classrooms will be cleaned daily with a heavy focus on touch points, such as chair backs, handrails, and door handles, as well as tabletops and other surfaces. Floors are spot vacuumed and mopped daily. Chalkboards and whiteboards will be cleaned daily. Disinfecting misting systems will be used in larger classrooms. And hand sanitizing stations have been installed in the hallways. And remind students it's a good idea to bring their own drinking water to class to minimize use of fountains. By wearing your mask, maintaining good distance, sanitizing services, and hand washing, we can get back on track. As protocols change, please visit the remote.msu.edu/teaching website or the MSU Together We Will website. Together we can do this. Together we will.